We are ready to create our first new Google AdWords display campaign. So I have my own AdWords account. You can create your own AdWords account without using your credit card. We have a video showing that. If you have any problems, just contact us and we are going to solve step by step your problems online with a video tutorial or an email. So we have our new Google AdWords account and we're going to create step by step our campaign. First of all, we have to press this button. There is red button campaign. There are a lot of sort of campaigns on Google AdWords. We're going to do today display network only. So never use search network display select because it's neither search nor display. In the previous session we created search campaigns. Now we're going to create display campaigns, and then we have another session with video or shopping or the other sort of campaigns. But today we're going to create some great return on investment campaigns on the display network only. So press display network only, and then you have a set of options. We're going to explain step by step what to press to create some great AdWords campaigns. No marketing objective, campaign name. So here we have marketing objective and no marketing objective. So there are two ways of doing Google AdWords display. There is the automatic way that Google wants you to choose because they have the control, and it's your way of doing things step by step. You know what to do and you're going to do it on your own step by step. So I'm going to choose no marketing objective because it lets me choose and let me have all the options available, and so I can choose the right options for me. So I want you to press no marketing objective to have all features available. If you choose marketing objective, all features are not available, and it's very easy to create your AdWords campaigns, so don't do automations that will harm your return on investment. So first of all, no marketing objective and all features selected. Then we are going to put a name on our campaigns. I already analyzed how to name your campaigns based on numbers. So here we're going to create our 510 display campaign based on what we want to sell. Let's take, for example, that we want to sell basketball shoes. So I write down basket shoes, and then we're going to analyze how to create our campaign step by step. Then we have the locations. We have to choose locations. Maybe your country or your previous client country is pre-selected over here. You can choose all countries, territories. This is a wrong decision to make. And then you can choose your country manually. So I'm going to write down United States. So there are a lot of ways of choosing your location. I'm going to show again some of them